On the Apple iPhone 17 series, you're getting a new feature called Center Stage. It's available on the iPhone 17 series, but it's not on older phones right now. It's also available on iPads. So, in upcoming models, this feature will likely be included too. What this means is, when you turn on your selfie camera, it'll automatically adjust the frame to keep you in the center. This happens through automatic zooming and rotating. But if you want to disable just the auto zoom feature in Center Stage, you can do that. In this video, we'll show you how to disable the auto zoom feature from Center Stage on your Apple iPhone. To do this, open the Camera app. Then, switch to the selfie camera by clicking this button. Once you do that, you'll see a button like this. Click it. Here, you'll find auto zoom and auto rotate options. In Center Stage, both are enabled by default, but if you want to disable just auto zoom, simply turn off auto zoom. After that, auto rotate will still be enabled, but auto zoom will be disabled. That's how you can easily turn off the auto zoom feature in Center Stage on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.